issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, June 22nd, 2011. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County.
Il n'y a aucun avertissement, veille ou avis météorologique en ce moment.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 8:25 p.m. Wednesday, June